Hello everybody, how are we all? Oh, I'm in a bad way today. I'm in a right bad way after yesterday's live with that pizza. Whew. Whew. And not bad. Laughing at me.
It stinks, man. It smells horrible, it stinks.
Oh, my stomach's churning and everything. I'm not in a very good way. And I can't be bothered at all to cook and eat, and I really can't. So I thought what I'd do is we're going to go and have a Greggs dinner, if you get what I mean. Going to buy a couple of things from Greggs. Oh, you okay? Yeah. Going to buy a couple of things from Greggs and have them for dinner, but I can just have mine, like if I buy a couple of pasties or whatever I buy, have them when I want them, that's all really, because I'm in no fit state to eat today, am I, darling? What am I? You know what I mean? I'm terrible. Got
You've been crying.
I haven't been crying, don't say that. I've been moaning, I haven't been crying. Yeah, but yeah, whew. Yeah, it wasn't a good idea yesterday, I don't think. But yes, so we're going to go and we'll probably get a coffee first, eh, Bab? Because we was going to go to Morrison's Cafe, weren't we? But I'm just in no fit state. I'm in no fit state.
We'll go next week.
So we'll go there next week sometime, yeah. So yeah, we're going to get a coffee. Then we're going to go to Greggs and get a few bits from Greggs, aren't we? Yeah. So I don't really eat Greggs anyway, so it'll be interesting for me anyway.
Oh, that's expensive.
And yeah, we'll see what happens. Just having a cappuccino, ain't we, Bob? In Wetherspoons, no food. Won't be having any food here ever again. Come in for a coffee, but no food. It's £3, I think it's £3. It's £3.15 or something for 2 cappuccinos and refills. So that's why we come in now for coffee, don't we, instead of going to Greggs, don't we?
Yep.
It's cheaper and, and it's warmer, you get a free refill and all, so. It's not very warm that though, is it?
That's not very warm, it's not.
It's like lukewarm, isn't it?
I was just going to say that. One that you could just drink.
It's like the kettle's been boiled for 10 minutes, and it's, well, you left it on the side.
Yeah, it's not very good, honestly.
It's not very good, is it, that?
No.
Never mind, anyway. Finish that, and then we're going to go and have a Greggs and get something, see what we can get, eh? Something for a Greggs dinner, eh?
Because someone's suffering.
Because someone's suffering. And you like Greggs anyway, don't you, so?
Yeah, sorry.
But I can't cook today, I'm not in no fit state. Don't know what's going to happen next week. I don't know what's going to happen next week. Do you? Probably have to have a week off.
His butt stinks.
My butt stinks.
Real bad. So bad.
Woohoo! Never mind. See you in a minute. Right, so we're home. I didn't really have a lot in Greggs, to be honest with you. I suppose it's that time of day, innit? But I've got a few bits anyway. So let me show you. I've got 2 packs of wedges. I think it's 2 for £1.90. I can't quite remember the prices, guys. Some sausage rolls there, which we'll probably have later. Put in the air fryer. The lads had a cheese pizza, which is what he likes. So you can have that with a few wedges. Oops. Sausage rolls, as I said. Nat's had a ham and cheese toasty. It's already toasted. But when she toasted it, it's gone a little bit cold now by the time we got back. So she's going to stick that in the air fryer anyway. But when she toasted it, it didn't look that brown. So we'll see when we open it. I've got sweet potato, bhaji and rice. That's what I've got. Hopefully, it might do me very good. But I've also got, I don't know, see it, let me turn it round. A southern fried chicken baguette. I'm going to have that now, and I'm going to have that later. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So, first things first, the lad can have his pizza. Pizza's still warm. And half of pack of wedges. Here. Mind you, he can have a full pack of wedges. I mean, that'll have half each, because I don't want to have too many, if you get what I mean, because of my belly. So there's his. Put that out of the way. Another plate. Oh yeah, I don't feel well, guys. I don't feel well. That's having ham and cheese toasted, which I think this is going to have to go in the air fryer to warm up. Let's have a look. And maybe crunch up a little bit. Yeah, look, see what I mean? It ain't very brown, look. You know what I mean? I'm not too impressed with that. And some wedges for that. That's going to go both in the air fryer to warm up. I'll just show you on the plate first. Give her another one. There's hers. Not the best, is it, that cheese toasty? And I'm going to have my southern fried, which I don't even know what it looks like. My southern fried chicken. Get that out and we'll have a look. There it is. I think that was like £3.40. Yeah, it's quite expensive, that. And a few wedges, which I know it's not a very big dinner, but I don't feel up to it. But that's why I bought the sausage rolls. Like the lads hungry, they can have sausage rolls or something and that. And I can have that. Right, I'm going to get them in the air fryer, then we'll just warm them up. Yeah, and there they are, all together. Yeah. We'll see anyway. And this is why I don't go to Greggs. I think it's a complete and utter rip-off. I really do. $3.40 for that toasty, and it's absolutely pathetic, isn't it?
Nothing to it, is there?
Nothing to it. Ham and cheese toasty. You make your own loads cheaper. Yeah. So toasty. Show me the inside, Bab. There it is now. But it had no cut on it at all. Still ain't really. There's the old wedges. And here's this pathetic southern fried chicken. Can't open it. It's full of glued together with the cheese, I suppose. Can't open it. I'm glad I'm not hungry. Put some salt on them.
Please.
And I put a bit of mayonnaise on my old... I don't feel the best. I don't feel the best, Bab. I'll need some more mayo. One is short. Give it a squeeze. Yeah, it's all about it. Let me try this southern fried thing here.
Them wedges ain't bad.
Them wedges ain't bad. I've had them wedges before, I think.
Can't go wrong with wedges though, can you?
That's it there, look.
I don't like it. It's not nice.
No, I don't like that at all.
What did you have?
That's a southern fried thing.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, what's that? Blake loves these. He absolutely loves them.
Ugh. I know Greggs is more like a convenience than if you're out and about. But that, for £3.40, is an absolute rip-off.
That ain't worth the money neither.
You can buy one of them par-baked baguettes that you get up Aldi for like 65-70p for two.
Yeah.
And southern fried chicken is absolutely rubbish. The Aldi frozen ones are a lot better than that. You know what I mean? For a couple of quid. I know it's convenience, Greggs, but... And that cheese toasty for £3.40 was an absolute rip-off. Ham and cheese toasty for £3.40.
It is. Make better cheese on toast at home.
You know what I mean? For the price, I know it's convenient and you're out and about, but... And that's why when we go and have a coffee, now I'll have a donut or something, wouldn't you? I think occasionally you should have a steak bake or cheese and onion pasty, wouldn't you?
I don't really bother.
Don't bother anymore.
No.
But me, I don't go to Greggs at all, only for like a coffee. And that's why I wouldn't spend that money. It might taste better if I felt a bit better. But my taste is still there, but it's not very nice.
I don't think you're missing much. You've got your taste, so it tastes.
I've got my taste, yeah. It's just my belly.
I love a cheese toasty like this.
And I know people turn around and say they love Greggs. I prefer to go to the cafe and have an egg on toast. Yeah, wouldn't you?
Yeah, very true.
That's bad. And that, we walked out at the end at Wetherspoons, didn't we?
Oh, God.
The coffee was terrible. I went and got a second one, just to check, and it was freezing cold, weren't it? Ice cold. I just walked out in the end. I had a bad day, I got a bad belly.
Don't know, because I'll keep laughing at him.
And you don't know, that keeps laughing at me. Gotta say, let me know if you've had them and what you think of them. I think they're terrible for the price.
Actually, now I've had a few of these. Try some of them.
I don't know whether it might be because of the time of day, because it's later, but...
They're always putting fresh stuff out.
No, I've had these before and I don't find these too bad.
Yeah. They're like...
It's like they've been there for a while. And they've been under the hot thing, but it's like they've been there for ages.
For days.
Isn't it?
I'm not enjoying this sandwich, I'm sorry.
Right.
I'll eat it, but...
Nor me. Anyway, there we go. Thought I'd just do a video because I ain't feeling up to it. We was going to go to Morrison's and for a calf, weren't we? But I couldn't be bothered. So I thought we'd go do that.
Don't think you'd have made it there.
Nah, I probably wouldn't have made it there.
You'd be sitting on my lap.
So yeah, let me know what you think of Greggs. I personally think it's a complete waste of money.
And that's why I don't know if anyone.
And they have put the prices up and everything, get they? So I heard anyway. And the sausage rolls and all that.
Yeah, they are.
Well, there we go. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm going to go sit on the settee and mope. So I am the old food guy. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. No. 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 Oh, no. Apart from the lad, he'll enjoy his because he does like them pizzas. See you later.